Okay, let's start solving this one, miter. So we're gonna use the saddle dip formula. This formula I derived already in one of my videos. So let's start this one. Saddle dip equals to r minus square root r squared minus r sine theta squared. Okay, let's start solving this one. So let's plug in only the values. So the value of r is this one. So 4 square root 4 squared, and then the small r is this one, 3 sine 90 degree squared. If you plug into your calculator, you're gonna get 1.35. So I'm rounding off to 1.4. And next one, we're gonna use the same formula. So r minus r squared r sine theta squared. Okay, just plug in the value. So 4 for this time we're gonna use 60 degree, and the value for this one is 0.958, and I'm rounding off to 1. And for the 30 degree, so the saddle dip formula is r minus r squared r sine theta squared. Again, plug in the values. So you will get 4 squared minus 3 sine. This one is 30 degree. I'm gonna use 30 degrees. And then you're gonna get 0.3 or 0.29, and I'm rounding off to 0.3. So for the 0 degree, saddle dip equals to r minus r squared minus r sine theta squared. So 4 square root 4 squared 3 sine 0 squared. So the answer this one is 0. Okay, so for the 90 degree, I got 1.4 plus 5 because the pipe length is 5, this one. So the answer is 6.4. And then 60 degree, I got 1 plus 5, that is 6. And for the 30 degree, I got 0.3 plus 5, that is 5.3. And for the 0 degree, that is 0 plus 5, that is 5. So these values we're gonna plug in or lay out to the circumference of the branch pipe. Okay, let's start lay out the the values. So I have a pre-made already the layout. So I use the circumference formula pi d, and then 3.14 times 6, and then 18.84, and I divide by 12 because that is 12 section. So I got 1.57 in every section, so I put here 1.57. Okay, let's start lay out this one. So for the 0 degree, I got 5. Okay, for the 30 degree, I got 5.3. Okay, for the 60 degree, I got 6. And then for the 90 degree, I'll get 6.4. Okay, let's lay out this one. Okay, here's the final layout. We're gonna cut this one. Okay, for the main pipe, we're gonna solve this one too using the circumference. So circumference equals to pi times d equals to 3.14 times 8 equals to 25.12. So that is the length of the circumference. Okay, we're gonna plot this one. Okay. Okay. Slowly. This is the final product.